Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are all fine. I miss you all, and I hope that I can see you soon, inshallah. First of all, I want to thank uh, Mustafa Mahdi and Mesa, Mustafa Mahdi in Leeds and Mesa in Cambridge for their lovely sheets that contains everything I said about the addition and the subtraction. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of you are excellent, perfect. Hannah Karim, wow. Luai Leeds, wow. And Luai Cambridge also. So nice work. Muaz, perfect, perfect. Um, who else? I don't want to forget anyone. You are all excellent, really. Ali, Milia, um, I don't want to forget anyone. Habiba, Haya, Asil, Acer, Muhammad Shadi, Jana. Wow, you're excellent, guys. Excellent. What about the rest? What about the rest? Where are you? You don't want to participate in the competition? I'm so disappointed. Where are you guys? Where are you? For example, Anas, where are you? Where is your sheets? Where you don't want to participate in the competition? Not only Anas, a lot of you. Mariam Mulham, where are you? For example, Samiha, where are you? Mustafa Ahmed, Cambridge. Mustafa Mohammadin, Leeds. Yusuf Ahmed, Leeds. Yusuf Atallah doing a lot of work and he is excellent. Thank you, Yusuf, for the sheet. Where are you guys? I'm so disappointed, really. Okay, let's start our new lesson. Today we will take something called missing numbers. Missing numbers for addition. We will take it in the addition field only. We will not go to the subtraction in the missing numbers. In the subtraction, we will take it next year in year 2, inshallah. But today we will take the missing number in the addition. Okay, what I mean by the missing number? The missing number means that he is asking about this number or this number. Okay, he is not asking now about the total. Okay, he may ask you about this number. See, where is the empty space here? The empty space is in the middle, right? Or he is asking you about this number, which is at the beginning. So the missing numbers means that he will ask you about the numbers in the middle or at the beginning. Okay, now in the addition, in the normal addition, if I told you, for example, 3 plus 2, this is normal addition, right? This is normal addition. What do you do here? when I ask you to add 3 plus 3, you will put the biggest number in your hand, which is the 3, and the 2 on your finger, and then start counting after the 3, 4, and after the 3, 4, and 5. So the answer will be 5. Okay? This is for the normal addition. So if I make empty space in the beginning and write for you 2 equal 5. Here he is asking you, what plus 2 will give me 5? What I will do in this case? In this case, I will start counting from the smaller number, not from the bigger number. And I will see how many fingers I have after counting, and these fingers that I will write here. Okay, so let's start كده. Now, he's asking about the total? No, he is not asking here about the total. He is asking here about the missing number. The missing number at the beginning. Okay, so I will start from the smallest number and count on my fingers. Okay, show me all your fingers. After the 2, I will count from 2 to 5. Okay, after the 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So how many fingers now on your hands? How many fingers in your hand? 3 fingers, right? So this will be 3. Okay. Okay, Mr. If he write for me 3 plus and then plus and then empty space and then equal 5. Okay. It's 3 plus empty space equal 5. Okay. So he's asking here about the total? No. So when he is not asking about the total and asking about a missing number in the addition, I will start from the smallest number and count till the bigger number. After the 3, 4, and 5. How many fingers in your hand now? I'm counting from the 3 to the 5. Okay, so after the 3, 4, and 5, how many fingers? 2. So the answer here will be okay. Okay, let's do it here by these dots to make it more easy for you. Okay, and then we will go to another stage. Okay, now he is putting for you here 4 dots. Okay, and tell you 4 plus what equals 5. Now he is asking about the total? No, he is asking about a missing number. Okay, so 4, I will do what? These are 4 dots, right? I will start drawing, and while I'm drawing the dots, I will count. Okay, so after the 4, 5, we draw here a dot, 5. So how many dots? 1. Okay, so I will put the 1 here. Here, how many dots here I have? 5. He needs the 5 to be 11. So I will start drawing dots, and while I'm drawing, I will count like what they are 5, and then I will draw here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots I drew here? 6 dots. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, here, the missing number at the beginning. Okay, no problem, miss. He has here 6 dots and needs the 6 to be 8. So I will start drawing, and while I'm drawing, I will count after the 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so how many dots I draw here? 2. So they are 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, here. Right. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and he needs the 4 to be 10. Okay, I will draw, and while I'm drawing, I will count. After the 4, 5. After the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I count till 10, and then I will count the dots I draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, here they are 3, and he needs the 3 to be 9. Okay, then I will draw, and while I'm drawing, I will count after the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? I count in 9. Okay, then I will count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay. Here, they are 2 dots, and he needs the 2 to be 5. Okay. So I will draw, and while I'm drawing, I will count after the 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many dots here? 1, 2, 3. So I add 3 to the 2 to give me 5. Here, 1. And he needs the 1. And he needs the 1 to be 7. Okay, so I will draw after the 1. And while I'm drawing, I will count after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? Come on, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay, here 6, and he needs the 6 to be 12. So I will start a drawing, and while I'm drawing, I will count after the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, here they are 3, and he needs the 3 to be 4. Okay, then I will draw, and while I'm drawing, I will count after the 3, 4. I only put 1 dot, so it will be 1 plus 3 equals 4. Next page, next part, it is the same idea. Here he put 6 dots, and he needs the 6 to be 10. So he starts to draw, and while he is drawing, he counts 1, 2, 3, and 4. So he put 4 in the missing number. Here he has 1 dot and needs this one to be 10. Okay, I will write here 1, because I have here 1 in this board and he needs this one to be 10. So let's draw, and while drawing we will count 1, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's count the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. I'm sure you know the pairs of 10, right? You all know the pairs of 10. When I have 1, I need 9 on the 1 to make 10. And here I have 4, and he needs the 4 to be 10. So I start drawing, and while I'm drawing, I will count. After the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Count the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And surely you know the pairs of 10. 4 needs 6 on it to make 10. Okay, here I have 3 dots, and he needs these 3. And he needs this 3 to be 10. So I will start drawing the dots after the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's count the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So, and 3 plus 7 makes 10. Here they are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And he needs the 5 to be 10. I will start drawing. And while I'm drawing, I will count after the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then count the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 needs the 7 to be 10. So I will start drawing after the 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many red dots here? 3. So 3, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, sheet 86, next classwork. About also the missing numbers in the addition. Okay, I need you to know that we are working in the addition, missing numbers in the addition, because missing number in the subtraction, we will take it next year. Okay, 6 plus 5 equals, so easy. This is not a missing number. He here is asking about the total. So I will put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers and start counting after the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here the answer is 11. Okay, here. Here is the missing number. 2 plus how many gives me 5? I told you that when I have a missing number, if he is asking about the number in the middle or at the beginning in the addition, so I will start counting from the smaller number to the bigger number and then see how many fingers I count with and then put it here. Okay, so after the 2, 3, 4, 5, how many fingers? I need you to use your fingers with me. Please use your fingers while you are watching this session. After the 2, 3, 4, and 5, how many fingers now on your hand? 3. So the answer here is 3. Okay, here also is a missing number. I will count from the smaller number to the bigger one. After the 2, with your fingers, please. Okay, I'm expecting now that you are all using your fingers after the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many? 5, yes. So I will put here what? Okay. This is a missing number? No, this is not a missing number. He is asking about the total. So after the 12 is the bigger number. I will put it in my mind. I get that. يعني normally, as we did before, the 12 will be in my mind and the 2 will be on my fingers. And after the 12, 13, and 14. So the answer will be 14. Okay, okay. Here, this is a missing number. Yes, this is a missing number because he is not asking about the total here. He's asking about a number at the beginning. So he is asking about a number at the beginning or a number in the middle. Then I'm using the missing number. I will count from the 9 till the 16 on my fingers and count how many fingers and then put it in the box. Okay, after the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Huh? How many fingers now on your hands? 7? Yes, so 7 plus 9 gives me 16. Okay, if I want to make sure, how I will make sure if my answer is right? I will put the bigger number, which is the 9 in my mind, and the 7 on my fingers and start counting after the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, my answer is right. Okay, okay. Here is a missing number also because he is not asking about the total. He already gave me the total. Okay, he already gives me the total here, which is 20. So here I have a missing number at the beginning. I will count from the smaller number to the bigger number and see how many fingers I have. After the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. How many? Yes, 7 fingers. So 7 plus 13 will give me 12, 20. Here, this is a missing number or not? Yes, a missing number because he is not asking about the total. He already gives me the total. Okay, so I will start counting from the smaller to the bigger. Okay, on my fingers. After the 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 3. So I will put 3. Here a missing number, yes, because he is already giving me the total. I will count from the smaller to the bigger after the 3, 4, and 5. How many fingers? 2. Yes. A missing number here? Yes, a missing number because he is not giving me the total, right? Okay, so I will start counting from the smaller to the bigger. After the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers you have opened now? 4? Yes. So 4 plus 11 gives me 15. Here, this is a missing number or not? Yes, a missing number because he already gives me the total. Okay, so I will start counting from the smaller number to the bigger one. After the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So my answer will be 1. Okay, I think it is easy for you. And it is nothing yet. You will count from the smaller number to the bigger one if you have a missing number and he already gives you the total. If he did not give you the total, then you will do it normally as we did, the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number on your hands and start counting on. Okay? Okay, now we will do the page in the workbook, which is page 51. Okay, page 51. Find the missing number in addition. Draw the missing triangles. Okay, here he is doing it by drawing. Okay, he is doing it by drawing. Okay, no problem. How many triangles I have here? 3. Okay, and in the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then he needs these 3 to be 5, right? So I will start drawing the missing triangles while I am counting. Okay, after the 3 were and 1. So I will draw 2 triangles, right? Because these are 3 triangles and these are 5 triangles. So, and here he is giving me the total, right? And he's asking me about the missing number. So I will start counting on from the 3 till the 5. I will start counting on from the 3 till the 5 on my fingers. After the 3, 4, and 5, 2. Okay, I'm drawing 2 triangles. Here, how many triangles I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, then I have here 5 triangles. And in the total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. Okay, so when he's asking me about drawing, so I will start drawing and counting while I am drawing. I'm counting while I'm drawing after the number he gave me here. Okay, so after the 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So 5 plus 3 equals 8. If I want to make sure, I will put the 5 in my mind. I have 3 on my fingers, and after the 5, 6, 7, I will make sure that, okay? Write the missing numbers. Okay, here. This is a missing number, right? Because he is already giving me the total. He's already giving me the total, right? So I will start counting from the smaller number to the bigger one. After the 8, and using my fingers, after the 8, 9, 10. How many fingers you open? How many? 2. Yes, the 8 plus. Okay, here, this is a missing number because he is already giving me the total. I will start counting from smaller to the bigger with my fingers. After the 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many fingers I opened? 4. So it will be 5 plus 4. Okay. I can also make it with the number line, right? If I have, it will be hard for me to do it here. I can do it by the number line, right? Start. It's so hard to do it here. I will do it for you in the next page. Okay, I will do it for you in the next page. Here, this is a missing number or no? Yes, a missing number because he is already giving me the total. So I'm counting now from the smaller to the bigger number. After the 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers I opened? 3. Then here I will put 3. Okay. Here, this is the missing number because he's giving me the total. So I will count from the smaller to the bigger. After the 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many fingers I opened? 4. Here a missing number because he's already giving me the total. Right? I will count from the smaller to the bigger. After the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers I opened? 4. So I will write here 4. If I want to make sure, I will put 4 in my mind and 4 on my fingers and count on after the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So my answer is right. It is a missing number because he is already giving me the total. After the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers I opened? 5 fingers. Okay. Challenge number 3. Missing numbers. Missing numbers, missing numbers, missing numbers. From where you miss? From where you know that these are missing numbers? Because he is already giving me the total. He's asking about the numbers missing before the total. Okay, then here, a missing number. Yes, miss. So I will start counting from the smaller to the bigger. After the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers I opened? 6. Okay, here. I'll start counting from the smaller to the bigger. After the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers I opened? 5. Okay, here, missing number. Start counting from the smaller to the bigger. After the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right? How many fingers I opened? 7. Okay, here, 11 and 29. I will count from the 11 till the 29. After the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, this will be more easy on the number line. So number 4, please, number 4, you have to delete it. Number 4, don't do number 4, okay? Cross it. Somehow hard for you and you will take it also next year, okay? So just cross it please from your book. Okay, I need to show you how you will gonna do it on the number 9. Okay, if he is giving you, for example, 4 plus how many equals 2? I'm sorry, equals 6. till 6. Okay, this is a missing number, right? So I will start counting from the smaller number to the bigger number. Yani I will count from the 4 till the 6, right? I will count from the 4 till the 6, okay, by jumping. So 1, 1, 2 till the 6, right? Then I will start counting the jumps. How many jumps? 1, 2. 1, 2. So they are 2 jumps, right? 2 jumps. Here, I will write it like this. And by this, we finished our lesson today. I'm waiting for your sheets for the next for this week project. This week will be about the ordinal numbers and the 2D shapes. The ordinal numbers and the 2D shapes. So it will be funny because you have a lot of drawing. Do it and send it to me before on Thursday 2 p.m. Okay. Love you all. I'm waiting for your sheets, and we will meet on Tuesday online to answer our homework. Okay.